Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. So today I'm just doing a very minimal look, brows, lashes, and outline my inner corner of my eye, smoke out lower lash line. I have a little bit of gloss. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. This is a very minimalist makeup look, my go-to look when I want to sleep in and don't feel like doing a wing liner or an eye look or anything like that. So all product shoes will be in my description box. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching. So I like to use this Proof Red waterproof eyebrow primer to keep eyebrows in place. Then also makes my brows last all day. And then after I do my powder on my brows, I like to set it with the clear brow gel. And today I'm going to do red brows. So I'm going to use 2 shades of eyeshadow since I don't have a brow powder that is red or burgundy. I only have brown. I've never seen a burgundy brow powder either. And I don't want to tint my brows because my skin is very sensitive and I don't know if it's going to make me break out or not. So I'm just going to take an angle brush and outline my brows like I would if I was using my brow makeover kit by Brow Bar by Rima. Now for the lashes, I got these on Amazon. They're Ombre lashes, black with red tips. And I'm just going to shake up my magnetic eyeliner to activate it. I'm going to apply 2 coats and let it dry with my fan and then pop my lashes on. Now for some reason I can use the tweezers to put my lashes on my right eye, but I cannot do that on my left eye. I have to put it at the corner with my fingers and then take the tweezers to put it on. I guess it's because my right is my dominant side. I have no idea. I have tried and tried and tried and I cannot do it. So at the end of the day, you just do what works for you. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, I'll see you in my next one, which will be a neutral cool tones look. And then I'll have a pink and blue look coming up, as well as a purple look. Love you guys. Bye. Stay safe out there.